Welcome to the SEM Check-Top Tractors walk-around video. I'm the product application specialist Yang. Allow me to introduce our lineup of tractors, starting with the 818F, 824F, 826F. Within the SEM tractor family, we offer four main products: the 818F, 824F, 826F, and 832F. 8 identifies the machinery as part of the SEM tractor family, while 18 indicates 180 horsepower, 24 denotes 240 horsepower, 26 means 260 horsepower, and 32 represents 320 horsepower. 826F is designed especially for the EAEU region. The F series represents the latest and most advanced third generation. These three models feature the brand new F-Series design and the Weichai engine. The 818F and 824F comply with Tier 2 emission standard and deliver a gross power of up to 140 kW and 185 kW, while 826F meets Tier 3 emission and delivers 216 kW. The machines employ an electronically controlled hydrostatic transmission system, which enhances productivity and maneuverability. Additionally, a range of track shoes widths, along with various blade options, including SU, S, and U blades, as well as the reapers, are available to cater to the diverse needs of our customers. Let's start from the front. All SEM models come with a standard SU blade. This type of blade seamlessly combines the advantage of both straight and universal blades. With superior load retention and exceptionally penetration, even in densely packed materials, thus boosting productivity and versatility. The blades feature a robust box section design and are made from high tensile strength steel to stand up to the most demanding applications. Air-shaped push arms bring the blade closer to the machine to enhance the maneuverability on construction sites, which is especially suitable for heavy-duty applications. Meanwhile, machine structures are analyzed using finite element analysis and on-machine stress analysis to identify and reinforce high-stress areas. All these three models equipped with Weichai engine, as we mentioned, widely used in industry, delivering superior durability and excellent fuel efficiency. All SEM dozers adopted a modular and single-plane cooling system. 824F and 826F, coupled with a hydraulic demand fan, can endure extreme ambient temperatures. 824F ranging from -40 degrees to 50 degrees, while 826F -40 degrees to 45 degrees, while offering superior fuel efficiency. The radiator's modular design is easy to disassemble and maintain. Each radiator modular is separate, allowing for simplified troubleshooting. In the event of an issue, one can easily replace the damaged part, significantly reducing operational costs. In addition, the temperature-controlled hydraulic fan on the SEM824F and SEM826F can yield up to 10% more efficiency. Equipped with both auto and manual reverse functions, this system facilitates thorough cleaning of the engine and cooling system. The grill, featuring louvers and a small mess, serves a dual purpose by keeping dirt out and promoting superior heat dissipation. At the same time, the unidirectional opening mechanism simplifies maintenance. The louvers, set at a 45 degrees angle, ensures that the airflow is directed upward along the plate, and when reversed, it can block sand and small stones from reaching the cooling core. This design minimizes dust accumulation in front of the plate and acts as a safeguard for the cooler core. All SEM Dozers adopted a dual-pass hydrostatic drive system with electronic control, inherited from Caterpillar's 50-plus years of experience in hydrostatic track-type tractor technology design and production. Hydrostatic components from a world-class supplier that delivers the industry-leading reliability. Compared to power-saved machines, Caterpillar's proven hydrostatic transmission load sensing system delivers the heightened productivity. German original retro variable piston drive pumps and motors deliver exceptional reliability and high performance, reducing downtime and operational costs. Repair and maintenance costs are also greatly reduced due to the lack of a converter, transmission, and the central drive system. In addition, the integrated hydrostatic oil tank and hydraulic oil tank allow for longer maintenance intervals and reduced maintenance costs. Sealed and lubricated track chains, offered as the optional configuration, significantly extend overall longevity. An equalizer bar and pivot shaft are pinned to the one-piece track roller frame, minimizing impacts and prolonging the undercarriage's life. While our main competitor's undercarriage is pinned by a diagonal brace and an equalizer bar, which may compromise reliability and longevity. Maintenance-free and lifetime lubricated idlers and track carry rollers provides simplified servicing, providing real value to our customers. As for the track shoes, SEM can provide various widths to better meet customers' requirements. Ample cabin space and a fabric-covered seat offer a welcoming operational environment, delivering exceptional comfort and visibility. The cabin seat provides a clear view of both sides of the front blade, while 4 high-precision lights on both the cab and the cylinders illuminate the working area. For comprehensive coverage, 2 rear lights are strategically fixed on top of cab and fuel tank, ensuring optimal visibility during nighttime operations. To the left of the cabin seat, the multifunctional joystick ensures precise performance and maneuverability for the following functions. The machine can achieve seamless operations with functions like infinitely variable speed, counter-rotation, and power turn, ensuring improved operational efficiency. Counter-rotation enables 2 tracks to turn in different directions, ensuring a minimum turning radius, while providing best-in-class maneuverability and allowing the machine to work in narrow spaces. Positioned in parallel on the right of the seat, the hydraulic pilot control system provides comfortable and precise operation of the blade or ripper control. 8-inch LCD main display as standard, with a great view of machine settings and features, is easy to use, as well as standard diagnostic description on the display, covering both the engine and the high-stat system, allows for quick troubleshooting. The integrated deceleration and brake pedal eliminates the need for frequent adjustments to the hand throttle, reducing the operator's workload and enhancing productivity. Additionally, an adjustable seat and armrest prioritize operator comfort to ensure an optimal working experience. The final drive adopts a double-stage reduction system, a combination of a spur gear with planetary final drives, allows for a broader range of transmission ratios, optimizing speed ratios for enhanced transmission efficiency and resulting in lower maintenance costs. A wet-type multi-disc brake system delivers exceptional reliability and high braking performance, even under challenging operation conditions, boasting a 410-liter capacity fuel tank for 818F and 650 liters for 824F and 826F. The dozers can meet the demands of tough and extended applications. Multi-tank ripper for 818F and both single-tank ripper and multi-tank ripper for 824F and 826F. Equipped with a parallelogram ripper arrangement, allows the tank to penetrate the earth, providing high versatility across various applications. The implement distribution valve, featuring the pressure testing port, is installed outside of the hydraulic oil tank for easy access, reducing overall maintenance time. That's all what we've got for today. Thank you for taking the time to explore what the SEM824F series track-type tractor can offer.